that's not good.
Here we are at the end of the season and the grass has stopped growing. So it's time for me to put the finishing touches on the lawn and get these edges crispy. With an injured back, this won't be easy. Or will it? I do love my Toro equipment, but when I went to use it, the weight was causing some pain in my back and arm. Now in my younger days, I may have ignored the pain, but thankfully, I have another option that will allow me to get this final job done. Oh, and stick around until the end of the video for bonus information about my alternative option. The Worx Revolution easily converts from a trimmer to an edger with just a few clicks. This 20-volt trimmer is only 5.5 pounds and so easy to guide and maneuver. As you can see here, it does a phenomenal job edging along the sidewalk. And you know what? My back isn't hurting. The wheel is very helpful and a great guide, as you can see on this sloped surface that I tackled. For your convenience, the handle has a nice little spot where you can keep an extra spool of string. And here you see that there's an extra little handle that you can use for extra control that will help you guide the trimmer a little bit better. Anytime you're changing string on a trimmer, the first thing you want to do is take the battery out. Replacing the string on this unit is so simple. You take the lid off, you pull the spool out, and you replace it. And then you basically just guide your string through one little hole and pop that cap right back on. Switching from an edger right back to a trimmer is so quick and easy. Switching the trimmer over to trimming mode, I am easily able to get around the mailbox post. All right, and here we go. Let's go ahead and finish this edging up, get those crispy lines. Look at how easily this baby rolls. This feature is called the command feed, and it is glorious. Now, my edges are a little bit overgrown, so you'll see me go back and forth a little bit with this thing, and you'll also see me get caught on the sidewalk cracks, but all in all, this thing works great. Let's go ahead and get a little close-up on this. Look at that, look at that. Now that's crispy. Okay, well I'm out of string, so let's do a little switcheroo and put a new cartridge in. I usually don't do this side of the Parkway strip, but I'm doing it now for demonstration purposes so you can get a good look at how the Worx Revolution is working. Now, if you're still here in the video, I want to first say thank you for watching the whole video. This really helps us creators out, and I appreciate you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The bonus to the Worx Revolution is, drum roll, free string refills. Now in this package, I have, I believe 6 is what they send you. 6 free refills, and they will send you these whenever you request them. Now, I must tell you that it's not truly free because you do have to pay the shipping, which is about $9 or $10, but you get 6 refills. And there's no cap on how many times you can order. So $10 for 6 refills, that's still an awesome deal. All right, my friends, that is it. Thank you.